Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I've got a bottle of 2-week-old Ilfords Multigrade Developer, and I'm going to be putting it up against a fresh batch of Ilfords Multigrade Developer. So I'm going to make 2 prints, put them head to head and see the results, the times of the development times, and also if they can reach maximum black or not. So let's crack on with the experiment. Both covered now. Yeah, that one's come through a whole lot quicker, the fresh developer, but the 2-week-old is still coming through. And for the second part of this test, I'm just going to use 2 tiny test strips here. Just place a little black card there, lights on inside the darkroom, like so. Burning that in, and off we go again. So the dark tray is the fresh developer, the light tray is the 2-week-old developer. For this one, just trying to see, oh, it's flipped over. Just want to see if that older developer can reach a maximum black. That paper should go jet black. Let's just turn that one round, use my fingers. There you go. I'm going to leave them both in there for a few minutes and just see what happens. So these are the 2 prints. This is the results of the first test. This was the 2-week-old developer, and this is the fresh developer. You can see it hasn't reached its maximum blacks. The print is a lot lighter than this, and I left these in for about a minute each. So let's look at the test strips that I did, and these are the 2 test strips that I left in the developers for 3 minutes. This is the 2-week-old developer, and this is the fresh developer, and you can clearly see the fresh developer's black is it's maximum black, and the weaker developer, the 2-week-old developer, has just struggled to try and get maximum black. So darkroom printing can get frustrating, especially for beginners, when you're not getting the results that you expected, and sometimes the reason is because you're using the exhausted developer. And as you can see on this head-to-head test, this is what happens with the exhausted developer. It doesn't reach maximum black, and it takes a lot longer for the image to come through. Unlike the fresh developer, you could see as we did the experiment head-to-head, this came through pretty quick and it reached maximum black. So whenever I'm doing important prints, I always make sure that I use a fresh developer. The developer that I mixed up this morning, I'll probably use for a couple of days, and then I'll make a new solution. So anyway guys, hope you liked the video. I hope it's cleared a couple of things up about developers for you, and I'll catch you next time.